This high-quality home in Highland Springs should be high on your home search list. Check it out.
Unveiling this new construction at 9961 Copper Creek. A modern marvel with 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and a 3-stall garage. Step inside an open floor plan with a great room with fireplace open to the fabulous kitchen with large island with tile backsplash and large pantry. The isolated owner's suite has a deluxe bath and large walk-in closet open to the utility, and one of the bedrooms could be an in-law suite. This open concept design has great natural light, large back patio for entertaining, prime Highland Springs location. Secure your dream home. Contact us for details. This one has a 6-year structural warranty.
This heavenly home in Highland Springs will make you happy, and you will be heartbroken if you miss it. For your personal tour, call me, Lisa Harris, 806-433-2783.